This is a brand new 2013 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, heated seats, a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a toolkit, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and a portable music device-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Fort Washington for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 404 Pennsylvania Avenue in Fort Washington. We look forward to serving you.